Alfred, I have to ask, what the hell, man?
Batman, what is wrong with you now, my ill-mannered bastard son?
Well, for one, Alfred, look at this guy, just look at him, he looks way cooler than I ever did. I'm a damn superhero, Alfred, not him. I'm a billionaire, not him. Why does he look way cooler than me? Why, Alfred, why? It's not fair.
Old Batman Tigger has an icon Airflite Crosslink helmet. You, on the other hand, look like a flying rat.
Wearing this helmet, he has had people tell him that he looks like a superhero.
Finally the Batpitch is showing his true colors. Check out the side profile of this helmet.
I may be a bad bitch, but I can kick your ass, Joker. So Tigger got the red face shield with his helmet. It cost $75 extra. The helmet cost $129 at Jack Carter Power Sports in Calgary. The Crosslink has 2 additional vents on top for airflow, but has a low external nose profile. The oversized chin intake enhances airflow, keeping you cool by routing air where you need it most. The removable sweat-wicking Hydro-Dry liner provides a snug and contoured fit. Instead of carrying an extra flight shield for changing light conditions, with a flip of a switch, engage the tinted drop shield hidden within the helmet. The Crosslink helmet meets DOT and BSS 218 and EC 20-5 helmet safety standards. Tigger told me that the space-age look of this helmet really draws attention from everyone that sees it. Alfred, I'm tired of talking about how great he looks. I'm Batman, not sad man. I mean a safe space and a pony to pet.
I'm Batman.
Go, Coach G, go, Coach G.